Hi guys, let's quickly play around with ArcoLinux on Windows. Just made a video of Oracle VM VirtualBox. That's working all fine. 1920, 1080, it's just great. All my pixels of my screen are being used. Okay, that's cool. 370 days. That's a while, right? Create a new virtual machine. I have already something in here, I see. That's an old thing. Let's do a new virtual machine. And I just want to show you something, not install it. We've seen enough videos to install it. Installer disk, can't get there, but I can get this browse. Download somewhere, download. Did I put it in download? I think I put it oh, that's not a proper download at all. In documents, I believe I've put it. Documents, here you are, a Git version. We play around with settings all the time. Arch, alphabetically. No, Arch does not exist. It's an obscure system, but this will do just fine. Other Linux 5.x later, 64 bits. That's cool. Of course, the name needs to change. ArcoLinux would be great. I have to watch out. Maybe there's one that exists already there, so like, well, otherwise you get conflicts in names. Maximum size 30 gig. That's all you get. Split into 1, 2. Normally I do just one, but right. I wanted to customize some more hardware. Processors. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Number of processors, that's cool, but I have 8. This I find always strange. I don't have 16, so don't show me, right? 4. And then this maybe is an idea to do. Memory is way 16 gigs, so 4 at least, or 8. Normally I take 8, and the rest we keep off. Just showing you one thing, only that one thing. Power on this virtual machine. Maximize it now. Then enter. And then let the scripts do their work, because they are fine-tuned to work on VMware. And let's show you the 1920 and 1080 that we can play with. Starting from the ISO of 20.11, which means 2020 November, we've got the possibility to actually use it full screen on a VMware machine, right? So go enjoy. That's my message. Cheers.